Today, we're making a creamy homemade lemon cheesecake. Crushed biscuits are mixed with melted butter until they resemble wet sand. Cream cheese, sugar, fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, eggs, and vanilla are mixed until perfectly smooth and creamy. The creamy filling is poured over the buttery biscuit crust and spread until perfectly smooth. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now it's time to decorate. Gently pipe fresh whipped cream around the edge of the cheesecake. Finish with fresh lemon zest, delicate lemon slices, and a few mint leaves. These simple touches make the cheesecake look as bright and refreshing as it tastes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this cozy lemon cheesecake recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next delicious adventure.